exceeds 5 to 7 feet. A chance of showers.
There we go. Oh my god. Oh my. I forgot to turn it off. Dude.
This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio public warning alarm system. We now return you to the normal program schedule.
Oh. What the
The
hell?
coastal waters forecast for the following coastal waters from Cape Fear, North Carolina to Little River in West South Carolina out 20 nautical miles.
Oh my.
Issued at 9:59
Epic fail.
a.m.
So it has come to this. I guess we're moving the zone guard over here instead of back there. I think it actually looks better here. So from now on, it's, I'm going to move like that. I want to completely cover the 120. But zone guard fail.